Now, dear students, in this unit of index numbers, today we will learn how to construct consumer price index by using family budget method. Now, the question is like this: find the consumer price index from the following data using family budget method. Now, commodities are rice, wheat, bajra, arhar, ghee, and sugar. Now, quantity consumed in 1991: rice it is 6, for wheat it is 8, for bajra it is 1, arhar it is 2, for ghee 20, and for sugar 1. Now, units: for rice it is quintal, that means rice consumed is 6 quintals. Now, for wheat it is also quintal, so wheat consumed is also 8 quintal. Bajra consumed is 1 quintal, arhar consumed is 2 quintals, and for ghee unit is kg, that means ghee is consumed 20 kgs, this 20 is in kgs. And sugar 1, its unit is quintal, that means sugar is 1 quintal. Now prices are in rupees. For 1991, that price is also for the unit, that means it is 100 rupees for rice, that means it is 100 per quintal. For wheat it is 80, that means 80 is per quintal. For bajra rupees 70, that means for bajra rupees 70 is price per quintal. For arhar 120 per quintal, and for ghee it is rupees 12 per kg, because unit for ghee is kg, so price for ghee is rupees 12 per kg. Then price for sugar it is 160 rupees per quintal, because its unit is quintal. So sugar is rupees 160 per quintal in 1991. Now after that there are current year prices. This is base year. Base year is 1991. Now current year is 2007. Now prices in 2007 are same for the unit. That means unit is quintal for rice. Price is 120 per quintal. Then for wheat 90 per quintal. For bajra 70 per quintal. For arhar it is 115 per quintal, then for ghee 15 per quintal, and for sugar it is 170 per quintal. Now we have to construct consumer price index. Now solution of this question. Now first of all we will write down question once again. So articles are rice, wheat, bajra, arhar, ghee, and sugar. Now quantity consumed in base year, that is Q0. We express that by Q0. So that is 6 QT. 6 QT means 6 quintal, then 8 quintal, 1 quintal, 2 quintal, then 20 kg and 1 quintal. Now price in base year. Price in base year is indicated by P0. So that is 100 per quintal, 80 per quintal, 70 per quintal. Then for arhar it is 120 per quintal. And for ghee it is rupees 12 per kg. And for sugar it is 160 per quintal. Then prices in current year, those are expressed by P1. So that is for rice 120, for wheat 190, then 70, 115, 15 and 170. Now when we are using family budget method, we are required to find price relative for current year. So that price relative for current year or that is equal to P1 divided by P0 and multiplied by 100. So for each commodity P1 divided by P0 and multiplied by 100. So for rice, when we divide P1 by P0, that is 120 divided by 100. So for rice it is now 120 divided by 100 and multiplied by 100. 120 is P1 and 100 is P0. So P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. 100 will get cancelled out. We will get 120. So in the same way, for wheat, when we divide P1 by P0, that is 90 divided by 80 and multiplied by 100. So we get 112.5. Then for bajra, 70 divided by 70 and multiplied by 100. 70 will get cancelled out, we will get 100. Then for Arhar, 115 divided by 120 and multiplied by 100, we will get that 95.83. Then for ghee, we will get 15 divided by 12 and multiplied 100, that will be 125. Then for sugar, 170 divided by 160 and multiplied by 100, we will get 106.25. So in this way we get R, that is P price relative P1 divided by P0 and multiplied by 100. Now after that we are required to find W. W means weightage. Weight means value consumed in base year. That means what we have consumed and what is its price. So the quantity consumed multiplied by price. So therefore W is equal to P0 multiplied by Q0. So in this column we will write down P0 multiplied by Q0. Now for first row P0 is 100 and Q0 is 6. So 6 multiplied by 100, 6 multiplied by 100, we will get 600. So we get here 600. Then 8 divided by 80, we get 640. Then P0 into Q0, that is 1 and P0 is 70. So 1 into 70 is 70. So we get after that 70. Then 120 into 2. Now weight is 2 quintal and price is 120. So 120 into 2, we get 240. Then 20 into 12. For ghee we have consumed 20 kg, price is rupees 12. So 20 into 12 is again 240. And then 160 into 1, that is 160. So we get W. Now after getting W, we will sum it. So we get sigma W because we need to find also sigma W. So summation of W is equal to, that is 1950. Now after that we are required to find RW, product of W and R. So product of W and R, 600 into 120. 600 into 120, that is equal to 72,000. So in this column we get 72,000. So then 640 into 112.5, that is also 72,000. Then 100 into 70, that is 7,000. Then 240 into 95.83, that is 22,999. Then 240 into 125, that is equal to 30,000. Then 160 into 106.25, that is 17,000. So after getting this RW, it is summation sigma RW. Now sigma RW is equal to 220999. Now consumer price index for current year by family budget method is equal to, now CPI means consumer price index for current year by family budget method is equal to sigma RW divided by sigma W. So that is 220999 divided by 1950. So when we divide this sum by 190, we get 113.332. So after rounding we get CPI for current year is equal to 113.33. So it is the required answer. So consumer price index for current year is 113.33. That means dearness is 113.33. Now okay, this is to find the consumer price index by family budget method.